TMF has done it again, introducing the new TMF cordless modified electric sprayer. Let's check out the features of this bad boy. Let's go through all the cool modifications and features of this cool little unit. First off, we went ahead and upgraded the switch to a metal LED switch. So that really holds up really well. Remember, we test everything generally for a year. We send it back to the manufacturer. We have it redone till it meets our specifications and our performance levels. Number two, we have a detachable handle. So you can detach the handle, take it off of here, and I'll show you a demonstration of that in a minute. So you can use it for upholstery, you can use it for anything else. Number two, it's also very ergonomic. So we took the lance and we went ahead and we bent the lance just slightly, so that way it's more ergonomic and it works better for getting down to carpets and different applications. After that, we added a stainless steel jet to it. Notice that's all stainless steel, and it's got a little filter inside of here, so that's really nice, so it actually makes the jet stay cleaner longer and you don't have all the issues with it. And we put an anti-drip feature inside of this little extender on here that we don't have to worry about it dripping all over the place, and that kind of drives you crazy as a cleaner, right? On top of it, we went ahead and put a very strong powder-coated red paint, because we know red really looks sharp and you look very professional when you get inside of a home. We have dual charges for it, so you can use it either inside, charge it up inside of your vehicle, or you can go ahead and charge it up for 120 volts. That's kind of cool. You can go ahead and hook it right into your cigarette lighter and charge it on the fly. On top of it, has all-day battery life. Sometimes it'll last up to 4 days, but I like the fact you can charge it on the fly and keep right on going. On top of it, we went ahead and modified the pump, so it's upgraded, it's stronger, and it lasts a long time. That's very important. And then we have these quick changeable tanks. I'll show you that in a minute when I don't have the pressure on, so it doesn't squirt everywhere. And I'll go ahead, you want to remember to cut the switch off, bleed it through it. I'm going to give you a little demo of that. Pop this off. You can pop a new tank on there and keep right on going on the fly. That's really cool. So that's the features right there. I also want to mention one last thing. For the most important thing, we also upgraded the seals on it. It has Viton seals on it, and those Viton seals hold up to a lot of different chemistry, but of course you still want to take care of your unit, and I'll show you that too. Let's take a look. Let's check out how easy it is to go ahead and switch over the tanks right on the fly. What you basically need to do is cut your pressure off by cutting your switch off first of all. Now you want to release your pressure and change the tank. All you got to do, pop this up, open this, and release your pressure. Hear it release? After I've released it, I'm going to go ahead, hit my quick disconnect, pull that right out of there. I can lift this out totally if I want to. Pop the top, put it in like that, and boom, check that out. Put it in position, hook the quick disconnect back up, and I am ready to go again. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to go ahead and switch over to the upholstery sprayer. All you do is leave your lance in position, take the other quick disconnect it, take your hand sprayer, pop it right on. Look how easy and quick that was. Now that's all the cool features. Now let's check out all the applications, the maintenance, and the usage. Don't feel like using your Hydroforce? Go ahead and use it for pre-spraying carpets. Or what about urine? We love it for Unchained or Pure O2. Or on your concrete floors. Concrete Master, you've got Frog Nasty, and you've got Grout Master. What about protection? Protect All or Solvent Sealer. You can even use citrus solvents. Just make sure that you rinse it real well when you're done. This is great for boosting carpets. And it's awesome for deodorizers. Peachy Peachy, Citrus Lush, or Reefer Rid. Oh, and my rug guys love it for pre-spraying rugs inside of the rug facility. It does a great job of taking care of it. And it really comes in handy for pre-spraying your furniture, whether you're using Revive or you're using something like cotton linen shampoo. Two great products that'll get rid of the greasy oils and do a fantastic job having a good pre-spray unit like this. One of the largest uses people use it for is for encapsulation, or VLM, which stands for very low moisture. Remember, we carry two different products. One is our Oxy product, and our other one is our Unchained, which is very unique in the industry because it takes care of pet stains with encapsulation. Okay, my favorite usage, of course, is for taking care of urine stains. Just pop it real good, make sure you hit the whole urine stain, and maybe a little bit outside. After that, do the TMF shuffle. And it's amazing how fast you can pre-spray upholstery. Okay, let's talk about maintenance. You know, it's very simple, but extremely important to keep it maintained. It makes all the difference in the longevity of the unit. All you do is make sure you have your pressure off, unscrew the top, hit your quick disconnect, and what we're going to do is we want to make sure that we rinse this filter out and keep that filter nice and clean so no contaminants get up inside the unit. Number two, at the end of each day, this is really important, especially when you're working with all different types of chemistries. You want to make sure you take and maybe just put a fresh water tank. I keep this at my shop. End of the day, we just go through and completely do a good little flush right on through the unit, and that's all it takes for the maintenance. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. As a matter of fact, speaking of videos, we're going to do a complete video of cleaning this rug right here, so stay tuned for it. And if you haven't already, please go to tmfshop.net where you can pick up the unit. And if you could, go ahead and join our Facebook group. You can join our YouTube by subscribing, our TikTok, our Instagram, and of course, truckmountforums.com. So you can find all this and find myself online. I'll be glad to help you with anything. I'm Rob Allen with Truck Mount Forums. Have yourself a great day.